Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 8.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
An international group is warning that Russia's invasion of Ukraine will take a significant toll on the global economy. Cryptocurrency leaders are spending money to wield influence in Washington as focus on their industry skyrockets, but they don't seem to be using their own product to do it. The euro gave up some gains, with investors closely watching any developments in talks between Russia and Ukraine, while the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions failed to affect the market, as the bar for a hawkish surprise was high.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1700 GMT, the Eurozone's labor cost at 1000 GMT, the U.S. existing home sales at 1400 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.